Arbitrations against Amazon are not just for third-party sellers, but also for Amazon vendors. So if you're an Amazon vendor and Amazon has stopped paying its bills, stopped paying your invoices, and now owes you a boatload of money, number one, stop sending in the inventory. Okay, just stop. I know it hurts not to have that expectation of getting paid, but the rule of holes is really simple. When you are in a hole, stop digging. So if Amazon owes you a lot of money, stop sending them more inventory. Number two, you can take Amazon to arbitration and take the decision about compelling their payment to you out of its hands. Now, during that arbitration, Amazon will likely be compelled to reveal why it is refusing to pay your bills, or Amazon will settle and cut you a check. So let's take the scenario of Amazon refusing to pay its bills because of counterfeit complaints. Now, we've had this issue before. Almost $2 million. Amazon kept ordering inventory but refusing to pay. Amazon then told this particular vendor to open up another account and they'd start to process over again. And they did. They ordered products, they paid, then they stopped paying. So the bottom line is this. If you're an Amazon vendor and Amazon owes you money and is not paying you, stop sending in products. Contact me for a free consultation so we can explore whether or not an arbitration against Amazon seeking an order compelling it to pay you is the right way to go. You want to contact me? You can do it by telephone. You can do it by email. You can even go on our website and submit your case. 7 days a week, 365 days a year, we can help you resolve issues with Amazon.
Freedom